Hello everyone, so this is Jamboard, and in order to access Jamboard you can go to jamboard.google.com, or you can go to the Google Apps, click on it and click on Jamboard. And once you click on it, you're going to get an interface like this, and on the lower right side click on the plus sign to create a new jam. And this is the interface of Jamboard, and it comprises of frames. So this is a frame, and you can get multiple frames here. If you need to create new frames, just click on the forward arrow here and you can add more frames. Now you can change the name of the Jamboard here just by clicking on it, and you can rename it here. Click OK. So on the left side you have the pen icon, and once I click on it, there's the pen, there's the marker, the highlighter, and the brush, and these are the different colors that you can choose. This is the eraser, this is the select arrow, this is the sticky note, the add image where you can upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, or from Google Images on the web. And this is where you can select shapes. If I click on it, you can select any one of these shapes including an arrow, and this is where you can add a text box. Click on that, and this is the laser tool. So click on the pen. I'm going to choose a color, and you can write on this. This is the marker. I'll choose another color. This is the highlighter, and this is what you can do with a highlighter. You can also change the color. This is the brush. I can choose red. And this is the eraser, so click on the eraser and I can erase all of these. So this is the sticky note. To add sticky notes, click on it and this pops up, and you have all these colors that you can choose. So I'm just going to type note 1, click on save, click the other color, click save. I'll choose blue, click save, and click save again. Now this can be moved around, and you can type whatever you want in this note. So if I click on the three dots on the right side, you can edit and type whatever you want. Now you can move this around, and here you can hold this with the mouse and you can turn it. I'll do the same here. And if you want to change the colors, you can just double click on it and you can change the color. Now this is the add image icon, and to upload an image such as a picture or a photo, you can do that. Click on it and you have these choices: upload, and this is from your computer, by URL, by camera, by Google image search, by Google Drive, or Google Photos. I'm going to upload from my computer. Click on browse. So you can move this around also. I'm going to upload another photo, and I'm going to use Google image search. Click on the photo that you want and click insert. And you can enlarge this just by holding the mouse and dragging. The same with the note, you can do this. You can just increase its size or decrease. You can also move it. So I'm going to click on the circle icon here, and I'm going to select a shape. I'm going to use the arrow. Click on the arrow and just drag the mouse and the arrow will take shape. Now to change the color in the arrow here, just click on the fill color icon, choose a color, click on it, and it fills with that color. Also, you can change the border color. So this is the border color pen icon. Click on it and click on the color. I'm going to select a circle. I'm going to change the color here. Change the border color. I'm going to select a color here, change the border. So this is the text box icon, and to add a text here or anywhere here, click on it and just move the mouse wherever you want the text box and just click, and here's where you can add your text. I'm going to type just my Jamboard. And you can increase the size and you can move it. Now you can change the color of the text. Click on the icon here, choose a color. Also, you can center the name on the text. Click on center. You can also write a line. I'm going to leave it at center. You can also change the font size to a title, display, subtitle. I'm going to add another text. Click on the text box. I'm going to change the color to red. Now there's another feature here. You click on these three dots and scroll to order and click on send to back, and it sends the word to the back of the circle or the picture, and there it is. And if you want to bring that word back on the circle here, just click on the three dots, click on order, and click send to back. That's how it's done. You can also do this with pictures. So I can drag this on the picture. It is behind the picture. So all I have to do, click on the picture, click the three dots, and in order, send the picture to back. Now this is the laser tool, and once I click on it, this is how it works. You can just, like if you're demonstrating in Google Meet or Zoom, you can just use it like a pointer. And this is how it works. Now I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to click on the pen icon here. I'm going to choose the marker. Click on the yellow. Now if you have a touch screen and you have a pen, you can use the pen on this. You can use the pen to write, to draw. Now to erase everything here, or if you want to clear the board, you can select clear frame and it's cleared. And to undo, click on the undo arrow and it shows back. You can change the background here. Just click anywhere here, and on the top click on set background, and there are some options here. That's one. This is another. And this is the blue board, and this is the chalkboard, and this is the image where you can upload an image as the background here. So I'm gonna leave it as default. Now to add another frame, just click here on the forward arrow, and you can use this as a chalkboard. Click on that, select the pen, you can use the marker, select white, and you can write on this and use it as a chalkboard. You can also upload an image that is a document. For example, it has to be a JPEG or a PNG file, and it can be like a Word document that is in a picture format. So I'm going to click on the add image icon, click on upload. I have one on my desktop. It's a PNG document file, and you can write on this. So there are many ways that you can use Jamboard for educational purposes, for brainstorming. So you can share your Jamboard with someone or a group of people. Just click on the share button and type in the email of the person you would like to share it to. You want to click notify people, type a message, and this drop down menu is where you give that person rights, viewer rights, or editor rights. Editor rights means that the person you shared it with can make changes to your Jamboard. Click on send. Also, this option, get link, you can click on it, and this is the link this link you can email to whoever you want so they can have access to your Jamboard. And these are the rights you want to give that person or group. Click on the drop down menu, just restricted, or say anyone with a link. And on the right side, click on the drop down menu. You can give that person viewer rights or editor rights. And then copy the link, click done, and then you can email that link Now on the top right side, there are three dots here, more actions. This is where you can rename your Jamboard. You can download this Jamboard as a PDF. And it's downloaded as a PDF. You can save the frame as an image, and it's saved as a PNG file. You can remove it, make a copy. So you have all these options. Now here you can browse your frames. So I have about 3 frames here. So there's a drop down here, click on it. And you can also see the frames here, and you can click on it. You can duplicate and delete. And once you're working on a Jamboard, your Jamboard is saved in your Google Drive. So if you have more than one Jamboards, you can just click on the Jamboard home icon and it will show you how many Jamboards you have. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.